welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Kiando. For those who are new, karibuni sana sana. So today I'm going to do a video, a very short video about 5 hair, they're not hair brands, but 5 type of hair that I love and I've been loving them for years and years on, and I'll keep on loving them. They will always be on my list, and the list is endless of how I love them. Yeah, so basically that's that. So I hope you're going to stick around, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and like my content and comment. Yeah, so basically that's that. So let's start the video. So these hairs are coming. Is it hairs? I think it is hairs, just like they always say waters. Yeah, so these hairs are from different brands, and I'm going to start with the first hair that I've been loving for years. And guys, the elephant in the room is this gorgeous hair. It's Havana curls from Angels, Tanzania. Yeah, so this is the hair that I've been loving for years, and if you're an avid follower or subscriber, you know that so many times, I think each year I have to use this hair. I've used it for so many hairstyles, and I've used it for half up, half down hairstyle. I've used it for such kind of hairstyle. I've used it for mohawk recently hairstyle. Yeah, so basically you can it's so versatile. The most thing I love is its curls, guys. Its curls are so nice, and the fact that it's kinky, it's a kinky texture, so the curls last you a very long time. Yeah, so you can last basically with the hairstyle for like 3 weeks basically, if you are good at maintaining curls. So 3 weeks to 4 weeks you can last with them. Yeah, so that's one hair style from Angels that I think I've been loving for a very long time, and no need to say now. And speaking of Angels hair, there's another hair that I love from them, and that is Guess Girl. I got this hair I got Guess Girl from a PR package from them. I think it was 2019, and I don't know, it's hair that you could have ungeiacha tu, ungepuuzia tu, but it's one hair that I loved, and I'm looking for it. It's not readily available where I come from, but I've spoken to them. They told me that it's mainly available in Kariakoo. So if you're looking for that, go to Kariakoo, utazipata. And I love it because of the fro. The fro is big, and then it's what is it called? It's curly in a way. So it's not really an afro straight, it's just an afro with a curl twist. Yeah, so I love that hairstyle. And the funny thing is, as much as I've never tried it, but I'm sure you can get so many styles from there. You can get the normal style that people love right now, and that is the butterfly locks or the messy locks. Yeah, so you can get that hairstyle very well using that hair. And also you can get an afro, a short afro hairstyle. I did that on my sister, and it turned out really well. Yeah, so basically just a big hair, don't care, like the way I have the hairstyle. And if you're on Instagram, you already know, ever since I did that hairstyle, my DP for my Instagram is just that for years, since 2019 baka leo. Imagine that. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, so that's the second hair from Angels hair that I love. Now tumeongelea sana kuhusu Angels hair, let's talk about another brand, and that is Darling. Now I know Darling inajulikana sana, and wame advertise a lot of their hair, but there's one hair that I love from them, and that is the honey twist, the braids that has like, it's what is it, a goddess lock but box braid. I love that hair. I remember the first time I commented on the fact that its box braid was a little bit loose, and I bought other packs last year and I tried them. Those people listened, walinisikiliza, so they tightened the braids, making it last longer. Yeah, so the honey twist, I love it because it's so versatile. If you are too lazy to go to the salon so that you can braid braids for a very long time, then I think honey twist is for you. You can just crochet it, either individual method, or you can do the individual, the lines, and then ukumbele ukaeka individual method like I did, or you can do just cornrows and then you can use it as like an extension just like I did. Yeah, so very versatile, like I said, very versatile, and you can use it for multiple types. And the good thing is, once you take them out properly, you can reuse them. So that's why it's also one of my favorite hair for the longest time. Yeah, now I know that the honey twist is not haijatoka yani zamani sana, ni hivi karibuni, but it's hair that nimetumia mwaka juzi, mwaka jana, and then I feel like after this year nitanunua. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, those are 3 hair from different hair brands. Now let's go to Prima. I know we only talk about Angels and Darling because those are the dominant type of hair brands, but kuna Prima. Prima hair has also nice hair, and I'm not going to talk about a lot of hair that is quite similar to other brands. I'm going to talk about Marley hair. Now for those people who understand kinky, Afro kinky, may understand why I'm talking about Marley hair. Marley hair is just an Afro kinky that has not been tightened, so you don't need to unravel so that you can use it. So that's why I love Marley, because kazi inapungua. So Marley hair from Prima, very nice, very soft. Now kwa wale ambao wanapenda ponytail extensions, especially if you have natural hair, I would advise you to use Marley hair from Prima, because it really is a mimic of your own natural hair, so it will really go with your hair. So not ile kwamba ume slick down your natural hair, it is kinky and then it looks a little bit kinky as much as ume slick, and then you're using a slick, very slick hair, and then unaona kwamba kuna ile demarcation, it doesn't look real. Now if you want your hairstyle to look real, I'd advise you to match your hairstyle. Nyamaza. I would advise you to match your hair, your own hair, with your extension. That's why I'm saying if you have natural hair, it's best to use Marley hair as your extension. Yeah, so that is hair, and it's from what is it called? It's from Prima hair. Prima Afro Prima. Yeah, so it's from Afro Prima, and it's also very versatile. You can use it to twist, you can use it for box braids. I've never actually tried them, but I'm planning to this year, so utaona a lot more of such kind of content. Now those are 4. I told you I'm giving you 5. Now on the 5th one, that's where I'm going to give you some bonuses so that you can know brands wanatengenezaga the same type of hair, zinapishana majina, and sometimes a little bit of quality. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about SHERAPOP, I'm going to talk about SELFIE hair, and I'm also going to talk about MZUKA. Those are hairstyles that I've used and I love them. They're very similar. Whatever you can get from SELFIE hair, from Darling, you can also get from Pop Shera, from Angel's hair, and also from MZUKA from Afro Prima. So yes, tunajua you can do the butterfly locks from that. You can get unaachia kama hivi, and then also you can get spring twist, and if you know what you're doing, you can get passion twist. But passion twist is quite tricky. I would advise you to shy away from that. I know a lot of people don't know how to differentiate between passion twist and spring twist. It's used like it's one type of hairstyle, but it's not. I'm going to talk about that in another on another video, but for now you are to kwamba you can get spring twist from those 3 types of hair. Thank you for being with me until this time. I hope you've learned something. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Until next time,